I was at the Robotics Society Club meeting, and Walter Martinez, the president, went ahead and he was showing us the Fritzing product, which is actually an open source design tool for electronics. And so it's at fritzing.org, not fritzing.com. And I went ahead and downloaded and unbundled it, and here is what it looks like. It's kind of bright, but hopefully you can see that. And I do happen to have something that I need to put up on a schematic. So the idea is I would take what's on here and convert it into something that I designed here using the components on the palette, and then voila, I can click schematic and it will be ready. So here it's schematic and there's nothing, but I am going to do the dragging and dropping of components onto the breadboard using this prototype that I did, and for another video I'll give you the link to that. And basically this is uses a 555 timer to turn the LED on for 5 seconds, and then eventually we're going to replace it, the LED and the resistor, with a motor and a resistor, and we're going to make something move. That's the plan anyway. Okay, so here we go. So here on the palette I found the chips, the ICs, and I hover over this one. It says 555 timer, so I can just drag it over and bring it over here, and I'm just going to drop it there somewhere. Okay, and there it is on my breadboard. I'm going to go get the rest of the parts and I'm going to do it. Okay, so this is the capacitor. I'm going to drag this leg over here. I'll just drop it on that one. Okay. The capacitor. Okay, so my parts. Okay. The capacitor, this one is the ceramic kind, and we're putting one leg there and the other leg over here. Okay. Okay. That's a little odd. Yikes. Okay, well, I guess it does the job. If I can turn it somehow. It's in the hole. Trying to push it up a bit, it's not pushing. Okay, just stick it over there. That's good enough. Okay. Then we have a resistor. Rotate 90 degrees clockwise. That's good. That makes it a lot easier. I think I could have done that with the other guy too. Okay, now we need an LED. Output. LED. Red LED. Which LED? We'll take red. Okay, and the LED. I'm gonna rotate that too. Rotate 90 degrees. I think I should just rotate the board. One leg over here. Oh, actually, maybe I need to rotate it back 9 degrees, counterclockwise. And you go over here, and the other leg goes to this pin over here. Oh, not you. This pin over here. Great. Then we have another resistor. Okay, resistor. Comes down here. I'm going to rotate it. Rotate 90 degrees counterclockwise. I put it so that it hits the second pin. Wow. And then we're going to rotate it. Actually, we're going to rotate it 90 degrees counterclockwise. Shouldn't have done that. The second pin here. And then the other pin over here. How can we do that? We'll have to... Okay. It's a little tricky. So it's connecting the... Actually, that's the 7th and 8th pins. So let's do rotate 45 degrees counterclockwise. Oh, wow. Rotate 90 degrees clockwise. Okay. Okay, I don't know if it's actually getting into the hole, but good enough for now. Then we need another resistor. Oh, we need a push button. So an input. We're on input. We're looking for a push button. Momentary. Potentiometer rotates on digital push button. Okay. We're gonna cross over here with the push button. Oh, sorry, we're gonna cross over there. We're gonna get another resistor. And we're gonna put it here. And we're gonna rotate it. Okay, 90 degrees counterclockwise. Okay. We'll slide it up there and put it up there. What we got? Let's see. 1, 2, 3 resistors. Got our LED. Got 2 capacitors, although one of them looks really funny. And we pull a bunch of wires. Okay. So let me fix this capacitor. I'm going to try to adjust that a little bit. And these are kind of really messy looking, but I'll try to fix that. Okay, I'm having trouble with this resistor not fitting. So I do think I'm able to rotate it a bit more so that it works really. But I don't know how to bring the pins in because it needs to go to pin 7 and 8. I don't know how to bring... I wonder if I could... So that's one there, so that's good. This one, is that connected to the right place? That's what it looks like it. 2 pin 1. I don't know if that's... I guess if it was really correctly placed, it should light up the whole line. Okay, good. It's correctly placed now. See that? Lights up the whole line. And here, lights up the line. How about this? Lights up that line. Good. And this one, does not, so I need to fix this right here. Oh, that does. Okay. How about this? So I do this, click that over there. Now, how about that? Great. So now that I've got all the components on, I'm going to draw a wire. Okay, so this one's going to go from pin 2 over here to this line here. Okay, let's see if this, okay, good. See that? Showing that where the electricity can go. Pretty good. Okay. I'm drawing the rest of the wires. Okay, I think this is it. I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wires, and I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So basically what it looks like is if I touch this wire, okay, that's now. If I touch this terminal of this wire, then I can see all the points that will be affected by this wire. Here, see, they all go on both ends at the same time. Here, here, here. So again, this is the first time I've used this. So I'm going to presume that it's good now. It looks pretty reasonably okay. I'm going to add the battery terminals, and then we will convert to schematic. Okay, so we added the battery. It's quite large, but I'm presuming that was intended. And now let's go over to schematic view. No, well, you could see some things missing here. Oh, auto route. I'm going to press the auto route button. So it tells us it's looking for the routes. I'm trying to set them up. I don't know if this is going to work, what it means. It says 4 of 18 routed. Routing unsuccessful. Stopping at round 34. Undo. So everything wasn't ready. Okay, let me go look at that. Okay, this is a mess. The auto route missed quite a few of the lines, and you can see them here. I do routing. Oh, here. Routing. Show unrouted. Unrouted connections highlighted in yellow. So you can see. Oh, then I close it. But you can see actually there's some light lines here. This one here. And this one here. And this one over here. And I thought it would be all pretty. And it's not. So I'm going to have to work on this. But I'm headed out of town. So stay tuned.